Hello HD examiners, this is Jeff Morrow from Sierra Analytics, and it's been a while since our last featured feature, so I thought I'd give you a good one today. Today's featured feature is exporting scalable graphics from HDExaminer. So here we're looking at an uptake plot in HDExaminer, and if you've ever done an export of any graphics from HDExaminer, you'll know that it saves those as EMF files. Well, what's an EMF file? An EMF file is a Windows internal vector graphics format. Why is that important? Well, because vector graphics, if you use the right tools, are infinitely scalable. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So here in HDExaminer, I'm going to copy to clipboard, and then to show you an example of what not to do, I'm going to bring up MSPaint. Now, Paint is a pixel-based graphics manipulator, so it doesn't know how to deal with vector files. So if I paste here and then I resize to say 500%, if you look here, everything's all pixelated. So if you try to take something from HDExaminer, blow it up in Paint and put it on your poster, for example, it's gonna look bad. We can do better, and here's how. So now I'm going to do the same thing again, but this time I'm going to paste into Adobe Illustrator, which is a vector-based graphics tool. So if I paste, you'll see that it treats everything like an object, and here's a very neat trick you can do in Illustrator. If you select your imported image and then go to Object, Ungroup, these are now all individual objects that you can manipulate however you like. So for example, say instead of bound, I want it to say bound and some other stuff, right? I can do that here. I can, for example, change the font size to something bigger, right? I can select this individual trace and make it thicker. I can, what else can I do? I can take these axis lines and make them bigger as well by going to that. Now I have thicker lines here. I can move stuff around. I can do all sorts of stuff because once I've imported into Illustrator, all of these elements are actually individual objects, which means I can manipulate them, and it means, as I said at the beginning, they're infinitely scalable. So if I select all and make this really big and continue making it really big, and then I zoom in, there's no pixelation like we saw in Paint. So just remember, what you need is a vector-based graphics program. I use Adobe Illustrator, but there's also a free and open source similar program called Inkscape. So you can check that one out if you don't have Illustrator. And that's all you need. You can scale your images however you like. You can change things around. And then in all of those programs, you can save it as a PNG or a JPEG or whatever format you need. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this featured feature. As usual, if you have any questions, please contact us. This is Jeff Morrow with Sierra Analytics. Thanks for using HDExaminer, and thanks for watching.